See, and that's exactly what you're doing. By building a home that lasts 100 years, you're creating generational wealth for your family. I don't necessarily believe that generational wealth is strictly monetary. Yeah, it's good to leave a bit of money behind, but let's leave good, solid investments that will last generations. Housing, land, these are all things that you can keep in the family for generations.
Worksite seesaws.
You know, I have 2 children. I'm in the process of building my new arch cabin home. This will be arch cabin number 2. But my plan is them being young is to go ahead and build them their own small houses on our same family property. You know, say somebody got down on hard times, they can always come back to the nest. I'm talking about quality of life equity.
Do an Augie.
Tampon.
Tampon.
If we're able to eliminate the debt of a home, what does that do? That gives us more time because I don't have to go to work to pay for that mortgage every month. But what I can do is I can go to work for myself in creating more generational wealth. I can go to work for my family. This is Jill's sunroom. Should be a great place to sit back and enjoy plants, take a bath, and enjoy nature. Oftentimes our customers will maybe extend or stretch out their build to a time where they can pay cash for that, for the entire build. This gives you a lot more free time. Equity, not just monetary equity. I'm talking about quality of life equity. When we're able to spend more time with our family, when we're getting to do those school science fair projects with the kids, when we're getting to go to football games and track meets, that right there, that is equity. When you're teaching your family, your friends, how to come together and pull together and create a resource, and that resource is shelter. Most of us live our entire life, and the idea of home ownership is absolutely an impossible thought. But we've redesigned that, and we're taking a step back and we're looking at what really matters to us. How can we create and how can we build our lifestyle to where it best suits us as a human, where it best suits our family, where it best suits our children.